Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A. Ngayon naman, ipaliwanag ko sa inyo ang slope of the tangent line. Ang problem natin dito is y is equals to 4 minus 3x squared at negative 1 and 1. Ang first natin gagawin ay hanapin natin ang derivative ng ating problem. Y prime is equals to, ang derivative ng 4 ay 0 minus derivative ng 3x squared ay 6x. So 0 minus 6x is equals to negative 6x. Magiging y1 is equals to 6x. Ito naman sa ating slope ay negative 6x. Negative 6x times negative 1 ay plus negative plus negative 1 nga is magiging 7. Dito na tayo sa y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. Substitute lang natin. Y minus, ang y1 natin ay 1 is equals to, ang ating slope ay 7 is equals to, ay ano natin, x1 naman natin ay negative 1. Negative 1. And then y minus 1 is equals to 7 x minus s minus is equals to positive 1. Y minus 1 is equals to 7 times x is equals to 7x. 7 times 1 is equals to 7. Ito-transpose lang natin siya. Itong negative 1 ililipat natin sa kabila. So, ang mangyayari, 7x plus 7 plus 1. Magiging sagot ay y is equals to